friends, welcome to Shara's Topsy Turvy Recipes. I hope you all are well, fit and fine, watching my videos. Today I am going to make bhindi and potato fry. I hope you all will like it. So if you are new to my channel, please like, comment, share, subscribe. So come on, let us start the recipe. Friends, I have taken half kg of this bhindi. You can see I have cut it up in this size for the fry, and I have taken 250 grams potatoes. I have cut it in this size. I have taken one tomato chopped up. I have taken onions chopped up and 2 red dry chilies. All this I will use for the fry. So come on, let us start. Put in some mustard oil. I will not use water for the fry. The oil is turned hot. Now I will put in the onions and the red chili. Let the onions fry brown. Onions are turned brown. You can see it's almost turned brown. Now I will put in the bhindis. I put in the bhindis and the potatoes. Now this will fry. It will half fry now. Then I will put the salt, saffron and whatever I have to use, I will put that. So I will cover this a bit. Let it fry half. The potatoes also will cook up nicely. And the bhindis also won't break. Friends, the bhindi and the potatoes frying nicely, you can see. And it's not sticking also to the karai because I did not put the salt first. If you put the salt, saffron, it will stick to the utensil. So last of all I will put that. Friends, the potato also is fried up. Can see here, it's breaking up. Can see it. Now I will put in the tomatoes, the chopped up tomatoes which I have kept. I will put this in. And I will let it fry again. Cover it up. Tomato also will cook up nicely. Friends, the tomato also is cooked up. Now I will put in the salt. Put the salt to taste. Put some turmeric powder. Put some chili powder. It will be little hot to eat. And I will put some Kashmiri red chili powder because it will give it a nice color also. And I will mix it nicely. Mix it well. Stir it well. See friends, the bhindis also are like that, just full. You can see it's not broken. And the fry also is looking very nice, very tasty. I will let this fry a bit again. I will not put the cover on now. Let it be like that. Friends, my bhindi and potato fry is ready. You can see the bhindi and potato fry, how nice it's looking. So appetizing also. I hope you all will like it. Try it and see. It will be very tasty to eat also. If you want to put some jeera powder in this fry, you can put. But I am not putting jeera powder. I am making it plain. So thank you for watching my video.